Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold this Origami SEAHAWK. This is something that I've wanted to fold for quite a while now, and yeah, originally I was going to fold something a lot more complex, but I'm very happy with this more simpler result. But with that being said, grab some paper and let's get folding. Alright, so for this model I'd recommend using a 6-inch square. This model is medium level complexity, so yeah, it's right in the middle.
Alright, so let's start white side up, and we're going to valley fold diagonally in half. Alright, let's unfold, and let's turn this way, and then let's bring this point up to this point. Let's unfold, and then now we're going to fold between this point and this point, but we're just going to make a pinch in the center. So yeah, we're just making a pinch right here. Let's unfold. Alright, now we're going to make a fold that goes through this point here. It's going to be this way. Alright, let's unfold, rotate, and then do the same thing, a fold that goes through this point. Alright, let's unfold this, and then now we're going to valley fold this point down to this point. And then let's turn over. Alright, now we're going to bring this crease up to this edge. And we're only going to fold about halfway here. Then let's unfold, then let's do the same on this side. Bring this crease up to this edge. And let's unfold. Alright, now we're going to fold both of them at the same time, sort of making like a rabbit ear. Alright, so it looks like that on the inside. And then we're going to fold to the left, and then fold again to the right. Alright, now let's turn over, and then we should have this. Then now we're going to fold this edge to this edge, only folding up to this point. Unfold, and then do the same on this side. And then we're going to rabbit ear the points. And then fold to the left, and then the right. Now we should have this. Alright, now we're going to make a pre-crease. We're going to make a fold that starts at this point and then continues all the way here. And we're only making this through one layer, so let's bring this up. And then let's just valley fold across here. Like that. And this point shouldn't meet this point. They should be slightly different. And let's unfold, and then let's do the same on this side. Folding this up, starting at this point, and again, only on one layer. Alright, let's unfold, and let's turn over. And then now we're going to bring this point to this point. We're just going to valley fold across. Okay, now let's valley fold this edge to this crease here. So just valley fold down. And let's unfold, and then let's bring that crease to the middle crease. Unfold, and then bring this edge to the first diagonal. Let's unfold, then let's open this up. Let's put our finger inside here, and we're going to do a sort of sink, so this will be uneven, so this layer could go either way, but I'm going to keep it on this side. And then we're just going to push in on the first diagonal crease that we made. So it's kind of just poking it inside. So yeah, we just poked it inside, like that. Alright, now we're going to open this up again, and we're going to open sync on the existing creases, so kind of just pushing this point inside. Alright, so it should look like this, and then now we just have to close the model up. Like that. And then let's bring this flap over to the side, and we're just going to do the same thing here. So just open sync on the existing creases. Okay, now we're going to bring this edge down to the center crease. Let's unfold, and then let's open it, and let's squash fold. So our model should look like this. Alright, now let's bring this flap up and make a fold between these 2 points. Alright, now we're going to fold this in half, but we're going to make a reverse fold while we do this, and it should end at this point here. Alright, so again, that was just this. We just reverse folded, and then now we have 2 creases. Then let's fold that down. And yeah, these are going to be the pre-creases for the tail. Alright, let's turn over, and we're going to do a few things first. So yeah, let's fold this over here, and then let's bring this point to this point, but we're not going to fold all the way. We're just going to fold through this crease here. Yeah, and make sure to make the tiniest pinch you can just here. And then now we're going to fold from this point to this pinch point, and just through this thick layer here. Alright, and let's unfold, and then now we have that. Let me just straighten out this back layer. Okay, and then now what we're going to do is we're going to valley fold this flap up, and then squash fold as far as it will go. Like that. Then let's unfold. Then we're going to make that same fold, but just as a mountain fold inside. So mountain fold here, then mountain fold here, and flatten. Then we're going to do the same on this left side. Alright, and then now we're going to remake this fold, and we're going to do a sort of squash. And when we do this, we're going to make a fold from this point to this point here. Like that. And make sure we're using this fold that we made previously. Alright, and then now what we're going to do is take this flap, and we're going to unwrap it. And make sure to do this as cleanly as you can. So you might want to open up the model a little bit, and then just push this corner inside. Like that. And then you can remake these creases and fold this flap down. Alright, and then let's bring this flap over, and then do the same on this side. Alright, now our model should look like this. Alright, now we're going to work on the head and the tail. So let's take this edge and fold it to the center line. Let's unfold. Then let's open and squash. Like that, so it should be nice and even. Alright, now let's fold this over to the side. And then let's take this edge, just one edge, and bring it down to the center crease. Alright, let's unfold the middle one, and then let's fold this over and just do the same thing. Bring the edge down to the center crease, making a sharp point at the top, like that. And then let's fold this over, and then now we're going to mountain fold this down just a tiny bit. This is just a preference, make sure it's nice and even, and then valley fold this up just a tiny little bit. and this is going to be the beak and the head for our Seahawk. Alright, now let's work on the tail a bit. So we're going to take this flap and mount and fold it in, aligning it with this edge. And it's not going to end up to the line, so a little bit is going to be folded inside like that. And then do the same on this left side. Okay, and then now let's turn over, and then we're going to make a crease, bringing this crease to this crease. So just make a crease in between the two, like that, and then do the same on the other side, bringing this crease to this crease. And then let's unfold. We should have this. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to make a fold connecting these 2 points. So let's valley fold this raw corner up. Okay, let's turn over. And then now we're going to make a few folds. We're going to make folds in between all of these creases. So let's make this a mountain fold, then make this second one a mountain fold. You want to make a valley fold in between the two. Alright, and try your best to make it a nice sharp point right here. Then we're going to do the same with this crease, so let's make it a mountain fold, and then we're going to make a valley fold in the middle of it. Alright, so that was the valley fold that we made. And then let's do it over here. Let's make this a mountain fold, and then make a valley in between this mountain and this mountain. Like that. And then do the same on this last one. Alright, so we have that. And then now we have these pointy corners, and we're going to make them a bit smoother. So let's fold this point down, and the crease should start and end at these 2 points. So just make a small mountain fold. And as you can see, it starts here and ends here. Then we're going to do the same on this side. Alright, and then now let's fold all of these together, sort of like an accordion fold. Okay, so we should have this. And then now let's mountain fold the whole model in half. Alright, now let's valley fold the wings up, and the valley fold should start at this point and end at this point. So let's bring the wing up. Okay, like that. And yeah, we're just folding through the wing. Oh, and I guess this came undone. We're going to bring this back together. And then also make sure we have this flap here. We're going to valley fold that down, like that. And let's close the model back up. Alright, and then let's turn over and do the same thing. Valley fold the wing up to match the other one. Okay, and then now let's look at it like this, and we're going to curve the wings down, and this can be a little bit tricky, so if you want you can take a pen and then curl the wings around that, or just the side of the table, but not too much. We just want like a tiny bit of a curve, like that. And then I'm going to do the same on the left wing. Alright, and then let's pinch in the center and spread the tail out a little bit. And yeah, there is the Origami Seahawk. I hope you had fun folding this. Thank you so much for watching. In the meantime, have fun folding. Bye.